Oh, wow! This is Pinky Mermaid's growing up story. Let's open it. Wow! Let's start. This is a seashell. What a miracle! What's inside?
Hello? Anyone there? Wow!
Wow. What a cutie! It's okay, sweetie. A bottle of milk. Okay. What else is in there? What's this? Wow, what do mermaids usually eat? What do you like? Aha! Let's try another one. Good. It's for you. Okay. Wow. Let's make some baby food. Nice. Yes! Here you go.
Let's go.
I'm sorry.
Good. Time to sleep. Sweet dreams, baby. Wow.
Hello?
Hi. Oh, something's missing here. Which blind bag should we open next?
Okay.
Wow. What a cute backpack. Let's open it.
Wow!
Let's help to pack for school.
Wow!
Yeah, that's what we need. What's this? So much stuff. Let's pick the right ones.
Aha!
Yes! Oh.
No! Yes, that's it. No. Yes!
Let's go to the next one.
No.
Aha!
Yes.
Good.
No.
Nice. Yeah. Good.
Yes.
Wow! Yay! Oh! Let's write something.
Okay.
Thumbs up and subscribe if you like this video. Yeah. Let's put it in the bag.
job! Good!
Yeah.
We did it! It's for you!
Thank you. Wow. I'll take it.
Bye.
Let's go to the next one.
Let's go. Wow!
Hello.
Oh my god! Little Mermaid is in a trouble. I'll help you.
Oh my!
Aww.
Wow! Great job!
Something's wrong with your scale.
Oh my god!
Hello.
Oh my gosh! Okay.
Wow! Let's make it shine.
Great job! No! Good.
But it's a bit boring.
Oh.
No. No! Wow!
It's a hook.
Oh no.
I think it's yours.
Thank you very much.
You look absolutely gorgeous. You're a beauty.
It's for you.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
What's waiting for us in the next blind bag?
Wow!
Wow! Let's try it on.
Thank you.
You're a cool girl.
Oh.
Wow!
Who's gonna be your loved one?
Yes!
Hi.
I have something for you.
Let's go.
Wow, that's awesome.
Thank you.
Will you marry me? Yes.
Yay! How sweet!
I have a gift for you guys.
Wow!
Thank you very much.
Let's open the final blind bag.
Wow!
Hello.
What a cute mermaid crayons.
Yay! Bye.
Wow.
Nice!